Tired of Clockify yelling "Can't save," field missing and holding your precious time tracking hostage? Let's dissect this annoying error and get you back on track in just a few easy steps. First, meticulously review all required fields: project, task, description, and of course, your time. A missing or incorrectly formatted entry in any of these is the usual suspect. Make sure your project is actually selected from the drop-down menu and isn't just a typed entry. Clockify needs to link your time to an existing project. Next, if you're using tasks, ensure you've selected an existing one or created a new one properly. A hastily typed task name without officially creating it can trigger this error. Don't leave your description empty. Even a short, clear explanation helps Clockify validate the entry. Think of it as your time tracking breadcrumb trail. Now, the big one-time double-check your format. Clockify typically uses hours and minutes, so avoid using decimals or abbreviations like H or M. Stick to the standard 130 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. If the problem persists, delve into your Clockify workspace settings. An administrator may have made certain fields mandatory, and if you're not filling those out, you'll hit the "Can't Save" wall. Still no luck? A quick browser refresh can sometimes clear up minor glitches. If all else fails, Clockify support is your best bet. They can provide personalized assistance to get you back on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tips.